It's a mystery box.
We are going to use the items in this basket to
do life.
What about life?
Living it. I'm gonna learn how to live life by little blocks like these. It's pretty obvious what I'm making. I think.
Ziggurat.
Nope. Bam. That's life.
We didn't really think this through,
We did not, but I like the idea.
Okay.
Or like where you're thinking.
We really just had to come up with something on the spot.
Hiccups.
I do have a hiccup.
Did you know that one time there was a farmer who had hiccups for 63 years? He, kept trying everything to, stop having hiccups, and it just, nothing worked until he died.
Oh, God.
Fun fact.
That's an awful story.
There's also this girl who, had really painful hiccups, and she was, kept having these really bad hiccups, and they had her on, The Today Show and, Good Morning America, and she was, all throughout the interview, and, she was, actually feeling, stomach pain, and people were like, this is hilarious, and she's like, this isn't funny at this point, it actually just hurts, and I want it to stop. It did eventually end up stopping.
Yeah, I just had one.
Hiccup remedy number 1, just talk to someone until they're bored of hiccuping.
I'm bored of hiccups. Hiccup remedy number 2, drink vinegar until you have no throat.
Is that a real thing?
No.
Okay, hiccup remedy number 3. Good? Touche.
Yeah, we're slouching. Number 4.
Well, they say, if you drink, you go, you, plug your nose, you go, and then it's supposed to, but, you just end up, looking like a moron, because you have, water, because you go, and it's, water everywhere. The 5th remedy, I would say, is, boom! Really?
Fool me twice!
Shame on her.
No. You don't.
I wasn't,
Can we sing something? Because we can sing in harmony, It's gonna happen just naturally. If
I were to start a vlog, I would be making loads of friends. Pinky swear, kiss it.
Oh, that's weird.